Hey YouTube, how we doing? I know, it's been like forever since we took a look at a Gerber blade, right? I'll pause for your laughter. So I figured it's time to bring one to the channel. Now I know some of you can see the name right up there. So, you know what we're going to do. So here we go. We're going to roll the intro and we're going to get right into this one. Okay, guys, as you saw by that intro, we are going to take a look at the Gerber Evo. Now, I'll tell you honestly, I was cruising through Amazon, checking on an order, and I saw this thing down in, you may wish to buy kind of crap. And I thought it looked kind of cool, but I thought it looked kind of familiar. So I said, what the hell? Took a chance, gave it an order, got it in, and my first thought when I saw this guy was, holy crap, that reminds me of a blade by CRKT. I'm going to leave a link right up here for the CRKT M16. I want you guys to let me know what you think. Now, I don't think it's a clone because there's glaring differences, like, in the air holes here, for lack of a better phrase, and the way that they set in the pivot screw. But the way the blade looks and the overall look, that seriously reminded me of a CRKT M16. But now that I've got that out of the way, it's got an overall length of about 7.95 inches. Closed, it's 4.61. And the blade is 3.43. Now, it's got a small weight to it of about 2.8 ounces, which I thought was okay, because I'm looking at this as the biggest gentleman's blade I currently have. Well, I should say I currently possess. So, no biggie. The blade steel is 7CR17 MOV, and it's got, as you can see there, some people call it a spear point, but it looks kind of like a drop point style. Now, the blade is their usual titanium nitride coated, which is supposed to help, prevent rusting, prevent degradation, and all that wonderful stuff. Now, it does have, a little fine edge to it. That means there's no serrations out there. Now, it does have dual thumb studs. It's got, a one position pocket clip with a pretty deep seat, inside your pants pocket. And it's only tipped down. Now, as you saw, there is a liner lock. Yeah, I can kind of call it that. Okay. Now, the scales are, as they put it, anodized aluminum, which makes me go, okay, well, I really don't see a lot of scalings out there. But it just says handle anodized aluminum. But okay, maybe I got that wrong. I don't care. Now, as you know by Gerber blades, doesn't say, made in Portland. So there we go. It's made in China. And, oh, yeah, as I usually do. Sorry. For everyone who likes to see the back when I get them in the clamshells. There you go. Now, needs a little work, like with a strop, because I could even see it pretty much easily. God, I hope I'm getting that right. There's pieces of paper on there and it should have just gone right through. So I mean, it came pretty sharp. It's not razor sharp, Well, of course that one goes a little better. But still, I mean, it cuts right out of the package, no problem. Some of you have had Gerber blades before. Sometimes you can get them and they're frickin' butter knives. Now, as we usually do, we took a look at the cost. I looked on Amazon and on Gerber. Over on Amazon, this is going to run you $31.75. And over on Gerber, it's going to be $39. Now, it's got a rating of 4.3 stars out of 5 on Amazon and 5 out of 5 on Gerber. Now, here's my problem with Gerber's rating. I saw some 1 and 2 star reviews, so I don't care how you average that out, even using Common Core math or new math taught in Arkansas. You can't get a 5 out of 5 when you have 1 and 2 reviews. But, that's just me. So I want to know what you guys think, in a little quick overview on this guy. I know it's not really long because, well, what can you say about Gerber's version of an M16? I want to know what you think down below. Your questions, your comments, your hatred, your love, whatever. I want to hear it all, man. You know, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for, spending a moment of your day with me. The fact that you chose my video makes me very happy and very honored. Now, for those of you who haven't subscribed, you're going to see a little symbol popping up right down here. That's our company logo. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you have subscribed to my channel, which I know you want to do, give in to the peer pressure. All the cool kids are doing it. Go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to subscribe. That way you will be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be from my catalog of videos that YouTube thinks is going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at the Gerber Evo, or should I say, their version of CRKT's M16. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have an incredible day today.